don't even know how you can fit this much stuff in a vehicle. We have all this stuff on the table. It's just nuts and bolts. We got multiple intake. We got multiple heads. We got some good pieces. Some of the grill, front bumper. We got the hood trim right there. One of the matching wheels on here. We had 2 transmissions back there. Like an underdash AC. Multiple valve covers. They're all cleared out. Got our fabricator inspecting for rust. Yep. Hands on, I see it, dude. What do you think? Pretty sick with the tire on it. I like it. Alright guys, I am wet sanding a little bit of this green off the top right here. I got some 600 grit sandpaper right here. Bottle of water. We were able to burn through some of this primer. So this whole truck's been primered, and underneath there, turquoise blue looks like the original color. I'm gonna burn through the primer in certain spots just to make some of that blue pop. Butter. Alright guys, got new wheel and tire put on, but we might pull this front end off to mock up the motor, and we gotta put new motor mounts on here. Real old style motor mounts that are in the front, and also not sure if this transmission mount is gonna line up. Here are the options. We got a turbo 350, another turbo 350, and then that guy, I think it's a turbo 400, but this is definitely the cleanest. And it came from that motor right there that was in the C10.
Forget to water your truck daily so it grows. Get the tires, we want to lift.
We got the front clip off, it's all sitting over here. Oh, butter, dude. Everything's so rusty. Alright guys, I was originally going to put this Chevy 350 with a turbo 350 behind it, but with a little bit of Facebook Marketplace searching, we found something a little bit better. Exciting day. Got the trailer all loaded up. We're going to go pick up a donor truck for the 57. It's an 03 Silverado extra cab, similar to this truck, but it has a 5.3 LS and a 4L60. So we're going to be doing a body swap on the 57. Get the whole frame under there and everything. Have all modern suspension, independent front, disc brake, hopefully AC. Thought it would be a better way to go than just using this old frame with the straight axle and everything. We're gonna modernize this beast. Go get her loaded up. I also recently put a pound winch on this guy that I had laying around to make loading a lot easier. All right guys, here she is, all loaded up. Got Bernie over here. We're ready to head back to the casa. Loading went super easy with this winch. Let's roll.
Get it.
All right guys, here she is, unloaded, back at the yard. Seats are pretty decent. Dash is all torn apart. Bunch of junk in here. Back seats don't look too bad. They had a weird rope back here. So serpentine's off of this, so I'll probably throw that guy back on and get a battery in here. Try to start this guy. I might drain the fuel too. Get some new fuel in here. I don't know how much is in here. Got disc brakes all the way around. Chassis looks straight. Wow, came with a pug. Dude, you can't show that on camera. Started raining on us, but I just got this battery in and I got the serpentine belt back on. So I was just gonna see what it does when I crank it over. I got lights. She wanted to start. Might even be out of fuel. Well, I'm just gonna try throwing some fuel in there. Put about 2 gallons in. So we're gonna try her again. All right, we got the tank pulled down. We got her cleaned out. All the fuel drained. Wiped her nice on the inside of the tank. Got a new fuel pump wired in here. So now we're just gonna add some fuel and see if she starts. All right guys, she fired right up. I do hear a little valve clatter or something. Running though. Hell yeah. All right, let's see if she goes into gear. She's running, guys. She's driving. Alright guys, on our first test drive, it's a little hoppy, probably the tires. This thing also hasn't been ran in 4 years. Brakes are, they're working. A little squeaky, but they're working. She does burnout. Can't complain. $162,000 miles. This thing's brand new. We got all the oil pressure. All right, guys, we're just over $1,500 on our build so far. I want to thank you guys for watching, and make sure to stay tuned to see this 57 come to life. It's going to be a pretty cool project, so stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned.